Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video, I will show you the live trade that I have taken on Bitcoin future. I have more than 8 years experience in Indian market, but in crypto trading, I have just started 2 months back. So initially, I have only started with 20k capital because I think this is a very less capital and everybody can afford it. And using 20,000, you can see here the capital it is showing 28k because with yesterday I had put 10,000 rupees with 13 times leverage in XRP Ripple future, and it rallied 7%. Okay, so initially it was giving 10,000 rupees profit. I mean, my capital had doubled already, but I booked at 6,500 rupees profit. Okay, now why I took this trade? Because initially, if you see, it started falling very slowly. Okay, whenever market falls, it should be very fast. Okay, if it is slowly coming down like this, then you should think that at any time it can recover also. Okay, so if you see here, market first came down, then it gave a small pullback, and then again it came down. But this previous swing low it didn't break, and it started going up. So this means this is a kind of double bottom. It didn't break previous swing low, and it started going up. So now here I knew that based on my experience, it will easily break this swing high, and it will try to reach this previous swing high. Right. So I took a trade with 500 points stop loss, and my target was 1,000 points. It was a 1:2 risk reward. Okay. So when it rallied, it gave me 500 points profit. I trailed the stop loss to cost, and when it went more than 50%, I mean more than 600 points profit, I moved the trailing stop loss very close, to secure my at least some profit, because initially it was giving 42 $45 rupees profit, and I booked at $25 profit. Okay, and market see it hit my trailing stop loss, and surprisingly, if you see it, after hitting my stop loss, it started going up, and now it hit the exact target 19,100, right? And from there it reversed. So had I kept my position, I would have booked 1,000 points profit. But you should never regret. At least we tried to capture 500 points, and we should be happy. So with this video, I think it was very informative and knowledgeable. And if you like my video, then definitely I will come with live trades on daily basis. Okay. So and this video is just for educational purpose, guys. Just to encourage you, I'm not a separate analyst or anything. So do not consider this as a buy sell recommendation. Okay? Always learn and do paper trading before entering into the market. Also, you must consult with your financial advisor for any feedback before taking or initiating any trade. Okay. So thank you guys. See you in next video.